Welcome back, everyone! In today's video, we're diving into how to add a new Barge Heist to your FiveM server. This is a straightforward yet exciting robbery where players initiate the heist, head to the barge, take on the guards, break the lock, and secure valuable items. It's a great way to add some action-packed gameplay to your server. Let's get started. To kick off the process of integrating this exciting and dynamic update into your FiveM server, start by visiting the GitHub page, which we've made easily accessible through the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the page, locate the necessary files and download them to your computer. Make sure to download SkillCheck and TextUI as dependency files for the Barge Heist script. After downloading, extract the contents from the zip folder to access all the required files. Once the extraction is complete, carefully transfer the entire folder into the appropriate directory within your server's configuration that suits its structure and setup. Finally, make a minor adjustment by renaming the folder. Simply remove the word main from the folder's name, and your setup will be ready to move forward seamlessly. Now, if you go to the config menu, you'll find all the customizable options for the Barge Heist. This includes settings like the coordinates for the start PED, where the heist begins. After extensive testing and productive discussions, I'm thrilled to announce that RocketNode and CODEIN are now official partners. We recognize the critical importance of providing top-tier hosting services to ensure your players enjoy an exceptional FiveM experience. RocketNode comes with DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and cloud backups. They offer extremely customizable FiveM server hosting, allowing you to create your own server with just one click. Their easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to set up and modify your FiveM server. If you're tired of searching for a reliable provider for your community, start building with RocketNode today. Make sure to use the link in the description and get a 25% discount on your server by using the promo code provided below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to enhance your server with a reliable hosting solution. Once you locate the start PED, simply target it and initiate the robbery. On your left side, a text UI will appear, and a waypoint to the barge will be visible on the map. Keep in mind that the barge will be heavily guarded, so make sure to gear up with weapons before heading in. After eliminating all the guards, you'll locate the container. Move closer to the container, and you'll get a prompt to unlock it. By default, the reward item is set to sandwich, but you can change this in the config menu to any item of your choice. Once the container is unlocked, move to the box inside and interact with it. A UI will appear for you to complete the action. If you experience bugs with the box opening, like I did, you can switch the minigame used to unlock it. Open the client file, navigate to line 356, or search for SkillCheck. Replace the current export with the minigame export you prefer. This way, you can customize it to ensure it works smoothly with your setup. You can also check out my NoPixel 4.0 minigame video to get a better understanding of how to integrate and use different minigames in your scripts. It provides detailed steps and examples that can help you customize the minigame for your Barge Heist seamlessly. Make sure to give it a watch if you need extra guidance. In the config file, the required item and the reward for the heist are set to sandwich by default. Feel free to customize these options based on your server's preferences to make the gameplay more engaging and rewarding for your players. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you successfully add and customize the Barge Heist for your server. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below or reach out on Discord. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming! I'm thrilled to announce that Codine has officially surpassed 7,000 members on Discord, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, we've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, users can also create logos for their servers using our logo-creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!